สวัสดีครับทุกคนวันนี้เราเรียนรู้ภาษาไทยนี่คือบทเรียนที่14คือ Basic Thai course. Today we will be doing recognition and familiarization drill. There will be several sets, and in one set, there will be a question which we are going to translate, and we will be answering the question. And there will be answers to the questions which we are also going to translate. So basically, this is a translation drill. Let's begin with the first situation. คนนั้นพูดภาษาอะไรได้บ้าง Kon is a quantifier for a person. Nan is that. Put pasa is speaks language. Aray dai. What can he speak? So what can? Bang is some sort of some languages that he is able to speak. So kunan put pasa aray dai bang translates to what languages does that person speak? And then the written answer here is เขาพูดภาษาอังกฤษฝรั่งเศสแล้วไทยเขา is he พูดภาษา is speaks the language อังกฤษ is English ฝรั่งเศส is French เล is and Thai is the Thai language. So it directly translates to he speaks English, French, and Thai. Now let's proceed to the second set. คนนั้นพูดภาษาอะไร Again, คนนั้น is that person. พูดภาษา is speaks the language. อะไร is what. So it translates to what language does that person speak. เขาพูดภาษาไทยเขา he พูดภาษาไทย is speaks Thai. So the translation is he speaks Thai. The third set here is asking who are in the room. ที่นี้มีใคร ที่นี้ is here, me is have, and ใคร is who. So it directly translates to who do we have here or who are here. The answer written here is ที่นี้มีนักเรียน Here we have นักเรียน is students. There are students here or we have students in here. The fourth set is almost similar to the previous set. ที่นี้มีใครบ้าง We added the word bang at the end. So the person asking the question is expecting that the answers will not be limited to students only. He has a previous idea that the people inside the room are not made up of students only. ที่นี้มีใครบ้าง Who are inside or who are here? The answer here, the answer written there is ที่นี้มีครูนักเรียนและนักภาษา ที่นี้ is here, me is we have, ครู is teacher, นักเรียน is student, และ as and นักภาษา are linguists. So ที่นี้ครูนักเรียนและนักภาษา translates to in here we have teachers, students, and linguists. The fifth set is asking for countries in a certain continent. ในเอเชียมีประเทศอะไรบ้าง ใน is in Asia. Me is have. ประเทศ are countries. อะไรบ้าง What are some of the countries? What are some of the countries in Asia? The written answer here is ในเอเชียมีประเทศอินเดียจีนญี่ปุ่นไต้และประเทศอื่นๆ Nai is in Asia, me have, ประเทศ is countries, and then it made mention of the countries India, Chin is China, Ipon is Japan, Thai is Thailand, Le is and Pratet is country, Un is others. So the answer directly translate the answer Nai Asia mi Pratet India Chin Ipon Thai Le Pratet Un directly translates to in Asia. Some countries are India, China, Japan, Thailand, and other countries. The sixth example is almost similar, but this is asking for the countries in Europe. Nai Europe mi pratet aray bang. In Europe, Nai Europe, mi is have, countries pratet aray bang. What are some of the countries? So the question is translated directly to what are some of the countries in Europe? The answer written here is Nai Europe mi pratet Francet, Sapin, Italy, Yerman, Le pratet un. Nai Europe is in Europe. Mi pratet have countries France, Francet, Sapin, Italy, Yerman, Le pratet un. So Francet is France, Sapin is Spain, Italy, Yerman is Germany. Le pratet un is other. Pratet is country, un is others. So it nai Europe mi pratet Francet, Sapin, Italy, Yerman, Le pratet un translates to in Europe there are countries like France, Spain, Italy, Germany, and other countries. The next example here is Kun tam aray pen bang. Kun is you, tam is do, aray is what, pen bang is can you do. So what are the things that you know how to do? Or what are the things that you can do? Kun tam aray pen bang. The answer written here is Pom kian le put pasa angkrit pen. So Pom is I, Kian is right, Le is and, put is speak, pasa or speaks the language English, pen is I can. So Pom kian le put pasa angkrit pen can be translated to I can write and speak English. The next example here is Kau tam aray pen bang. Kau is he, tam aray can do. Tam is do, aray is what, pen bang, things that he can do. What does she know how to do, or what can she do? The answer written here is Kau tam ahan le liang dek pen. Kau is she or he, tam ahan is cook, le is and, liang dek is look after children or young kids, or basically caring for children. Pen is she can, so that could be translated to Kau tam ahan le liang dek pen translates to she can cook and take care of children. And the last example here is Kau keng aray bang. Kau is he, keng is good or well. Aray bang is what are some of the things that he does well. So what things can he do well? Kau keng aray bang. What things is he good at? The answer written here is Kau riyan ng se keng, len kelia keng, le tamngan keng. So there are three things mentioned here that he or she can do well. Riyan ng se is studying. So he's good at studying, so he or she must be a good student. Len Kila, he is a good athlete, he's athletic. And Tamngan is good at work, or he's a good worker. So, Kau riyan ng se keng, len kila keng, le tamngan keng. So he is good at those three mentioned things. It directly translates to he's a good student, he's a good athlete, and he is good at his work. Okay, thank you so much for today, guys. I hope that you learned something, some new words, some sentence construction patterns, and how to respond certain questions, and most especially translating Thai sentences to English. That would be all. Thank you so much for staying with me. Kabun kap!